Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I just received my light ring and I purchased the Ubeesize light ring, which is the 10-inch light ring from their company that is on Amazon. I purchased it for about $75, which I think is a steal compared to all the other light rings. And I felt like this is a good starter light ring, especially because I've never used one. So we'll see how it is together and you guys will get to know if you want this light ring or not. So, and by the way, this is an unsponsored review. This is just me buying it for myself and showing you guys if the item is great or not. So yes, let's get to unboxing it. So in this box, you will be receiving the light ring itself, as well as a tripod, which is in this bag, that will attach to the light ring. And then with that, you will have two attachment pieces. I am guessing that these attachment pieces are for your cell phone as well as your camera, but we will see together. And then you will also receive this little remote control. This control is good for clicking for your pictures and videos when to start. So I think this is very handy to have. And then this is the instructions that you will receive, obviously, so that you can know how to attach this whole thing together. But we will be going through that together in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, so first let's open the tripod that it comes with, and so that we can see how that works. Alright, so after we have opened the tripod, let's try the light ring out. I think it's supposed to just attach to this piece. Let's see in the instructions. In this piece with the tripod, there's like a little twisty thing that twists the silver attachment screw. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, remember that, guys. And that's what you're going to use to tighten this light ring. So just attach it to the silver screw. It seems that you have to attach the light ring to a USB type of charger, so I'll take my iPhone charger and just attach that to the wall. And for now, let's try to figure out how to attach my cell phone to the light ring first before I attach the camera. Okay, I hate plastic stuff on my stuff, so remove that. So as you can see, in the tripod, there's this like square area where you can just slide the attachments into it from this end. And I will do that. From the looks of it, the tripod looks like it can only attach the light ring and that's it, and the only attachment to the light ring is for a cell phone. So that kind of sucks, because the second attachment that I told you guys about is for another cell phone, as you can see right here, because I do know that some people attach some more devices to an actual tripod, not just one device, but I will figure it out slowly but surely, so hold on. Alright guys, so keep in mind that wherever you do connect this light ring, you do have to plug it into a cable, plug, whatever it's called, in order to turn it on. And so just remember the distance between your camera and the tripods and the area you want to record, because you do have to adjust it. And so now we can start testing the light. Ooh, I already like it, so hold on. I'm just gonna fix the tripod and get it to the right height that I like, and then from there we can start testing the lighting to see if we like it or not. Okay, so the only way I was able to get it to work is because the setup that it came with is only for iPhones and or other phones, but specifically cell phones. and I think I would have to get another attachment in order to fit my camera on here. But I came up with a solution. So this is the light ring, and this is the tripod it came with, and I placed my other tripod for my camera in the back so that my camera can sit in there and focus inside. You do not see the light ring or any of that, so there's no worries for that reason. And it worked out, and it was great. I'll show you guys right here. Alright guys, so now I'm going to record it while I'm standing up, and I just plugged in the light ring. And so let's see how this thing's going to work out. I'm going to turn off the lights in my room just so that there's no interruptions. So this is the natural lighting, and as you can see, it's not that bad, but it's pretty dark. My cat just moved the light ring. How great. I let her in the room, and that's what she does. She just doesn't stop moving. Okay, so let me get the remote. Alright, so now I'm going to turn it on. What a game changer. Honestly, I don't know why I've never owned one of these, but I am so glad I have one. Like, look how bright it is. Okay, so this is option number 1, and this is option number 2. So this one's more subtle, but it obviously brings in more light than having natural lighting. And this is option number 3. So this one's like more contrasted, as I can see. It's more of a yellowish, orangish tone. My cat is going crazy. And so back to the beginning. Option number 2 and option number 3. Honestly guys, this is great. I feel like I can see myself using this for every video, and it's gonna make such a difference. Let me show you guys my cat, this crazy little girl. So this is Imogene. This is who is making all of that noise in the back. She is so hyper, guys. She's only, I mean, she's gonna turn 1 in July, which is a month away, 2 months away. And she's crazy, like she is so hyper. Alright guys, this is Imogene and I logging off. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below letting me know if you guys have a light ring yourself, or if you're thinking about purchasing one. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out in the comments, and as well as create more content related to this if you guys would like. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Say bye, Imogene.